It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
Welcome to The New Next, a podcast that addresses current events and how they will impact the future. I hate to, I'm going to actually admit something. I've written a 100-page book about 3 months ago using ChatGPT.
Nice. Did you publish it?
Nope.
Why not?
Because I don't like it.
Oh, okay.
It feels wrong on so many different levels. Because all I did was I put a premise in, and then I, after it wrote the first chapter, I put that chapter in and says, continue this into the next chapter. And then it would just, that way I wouldn't have any repeats, because if I didn't, it would, and this is also the free tool. I haven't used paid or anything like that, but I was just kind of seeing what it would be like to do that. I don't know. It's definitely not my style of writing either. So that, whether my style is good or bad, I mean,
well, maybe you should try Copy AI and see if you can build your own brand voice.
Or I just write on my own, like the old-fashioned way. And,
yeah.
I mean, I'm not trying to take away business from Joel. I think
that takes longer. I mean, they only charge like $40 a month, so
only.
Yeah. Well, I mean, if
but
you
that's
can just
like Disney Plus and YouTube together.
Yeah, but if you can write a book in 10 minutes, that might be worth it. I don't know. Have you ever read Voltaire's Candide?
Maybe I read one work from Voltaire, and it was the one where I might not agree with you, but I'll fight for your right to believe it, to say it, to think it. That's the only piece I've ever really written. And I don't even think I read the whole work. I only read like an essay in the work.
Okay.
So I'll say no. That's probably the safer bet.
You can see if there's a list of.
I know there's also a thing, because I'm looking at right now on my shelf, and when I was big into World of Warcraft, we bought every single World of Warcraft book and read all the fiction and stuff. And we already bought into the characters, so the story is what drove it. And I'm just thinking, like, I could just change a few things and rewrite those books just by changing names, and it's not orcs, it's just a caveman group versus another caveman group. And as long, I mean, of course, people would potentially know it's plagiarized and stuff, but like, that's what ChatGPT, and I'm specifically saying ChatGPT. I'm not talking about Copy AI or anything, but ChatGPT to me feels like we're just changing the names. We're changing some stuff, but it's the exact same story that was already written by somebody else. If you would like to learn more about the New Next podcast, find us at thenewnextpodcast.com, where you can suggest a topic you would like for us to cover. If you enjoyed what you heard, share the podcast, tell a friend about it, or rate us with 5 stars.